Hello! Let's draw some alphabets and number today. Are you ready? Let's go. A B C 1 2 3. Now let's color these alphabets and numbers. But first we will see what colors do we have. Let's go. Now we have orange, red, dark blue, blue, pink, yellow, parrot green, black, brown, dark green, purple, and violet. Let's color. Wow! This looks so beautiful. Now, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you next time. Bye.